अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वंस अगेन आई एम बैक विद अनदर वीडियो। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू चेंज योर माउस कर्सर्स एंड आल्सो यू कैन कॉल इट पॉइंटर change in Windows 10, and you can perform this action in Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, 10 and definitely Windows 11. Actually these process work on all Microsoft Windows. So how you can perform this action? First of all, you need to open your browser. Choose any browser, Windows 10, like Google Chrome, and here you need to type cursor, free download. Now here you can see a lot of websites, so you can choose any websites you like. I am going with RW Designer because this is the most amazing website for cursors. You can find here any interesting cursor for your PC. Doesn't matter which cursor you like, you can just download. You can even choose your cursor emojis, reaction emojis for your as your cursor. A lot of other cursors are available on this website. You can just download. I will show you how you can download these cursors. So just choose any cursor, click on the cursor, and here you can see the download button for 1.5 KB files, a small file. Just click on it and you can just download this cursor. Now the second process is I will show you how you can set these cursors as your default cursor. So for example, I just download this cursor here. Just extract here in a folder or simply just extract them. Now these cursors designs are here. Now I will show you how you can set it. Just click on the Windows icon and here you need to type the mouse and get into the mouse settings. Now the next step is just click on the mouse, and here's the additional mouse options, and here pointer options, pointers. Now here you can choose the default cursor. Now right now I'm using normal. Select is this one. Now click on the browse, find your cursors where you download. This PC download folders, compress, and here's my cursors are. Just choose the normal one. You can choose any one, but I think the normal one is look much better, so just apply like this. Now you can also replace others like this. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज. बाय बाय.